Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transform any of your photos into a super epic Thunder God animation using an app called Dreamfix. It's super fast, fun, and yes, there are even a free weekly credits package, so you can try it without spending anything. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Dreamfix app. If you don't have it yet, just go to Google Play Store and then just download it from there. And then once it installed, just open the app and then just log in using your Google account. And don't worry, like I said earlier, Doomfist will offers free weekly credit so you can create AI edits even without paying. Next, after logging in, you will land on the home page like this. And then next, just tap on Magic Effect, this one. This is where all the cool transformations effects are located. And then next, just scroll down until you find the effect that called Thunder God. This one, just tap on it. This filter will transform your photo into a visual of lightning, and then it has a glowing eyes and a dramatic storm background like this. It's super powerful and cinematic. Next, just simply choose your photo. Just choose a clear picture of yourself, preferably with good lighting and your face fully visible for the best result. Just tap on plus button and then just choose your photo like this. And once you have selected your photo, just tap on create. It will take one credit. And okay, like this, in just a few moments, there it is, your Thunder God transformations. It's ready. It has a lightning, glowing effects, dramatic aura, and it looks absolutely insane. Next, if you like it, you can save it directly to your device by tap on download over here. And okay, like this, if you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.